Hello programmer, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to add method on our own object. Now first make a constructor function for a person, likewise in a previous tutorial. Then a person can have first name, last name and age. Then write the name of properties this dot first name. Here we pass the value from f name. This dot last name, pass value from l name. This dot age, pass value from age. Now before jump into a method, first I wanna say that method are a function that can use the property of object to produce something else. For example, if I want a full name using first name and last name, then at that time I can use method. So go ahead and make a function called addName. Now we need a variable where we can assign full name. So where full name equal to this dot first name this dot last name. Here I am using this dot first name and this dot last name from a constructor function. We are only able to use this dot first name and this dot last name because we are going to make addName function as a part of person function. Now return full name. Now in order to make addName as a method of person object, so that addName can access first name and last name, just we have to write this dot full name, then the name of function addName. As you know, while calling a function we put parentheses at the end of function name, but when we call external function as a method of constructor function, then at that time we do not use parentheses. So here we do not use parentheses on addName. Now make a new object so that first name, last name and age will get their value. Where Navraj equal to new person. First name Navraj, last name Saha and age 22. Now let's use this object to print something. Document dot write Navraj dot full name. We declare full name as a method, so we have to use parentheses. Is Navraj dot age, years old. And we got Navraj Saha is 22 years old. And again from this new object we pass the value for first name and last name, and that first name and last name is accessed by addName function and return full name, so that when we call full name it gives Navraj Saha. And in this way we add method on object. So this much for this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.